Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, I done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject.
Mommy! Mommy!
But I go post it in a camino, yo.
I'm not gonna post it yet. I'm not gonna post it. Hi, mommy. How you feel?
Oh, they're hot.
Oh no, how you feel?
And I'm tell you, I come to the airport. I'm tell you,
how you feel?
Cowley. I'm tell you, cold now.
How you feel? 28 years. How you feel?
One eternity later.
Yeah, what's up? What's up?
Come on, man. Come, mommy, come. Hi. 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 Grandma. Hi. 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 Hi.
No. Stretch out, you go. No, you want to go out more. Go out more, mental.
So my mama bought me a bag. My mama bought me a bag, guys. Fix it up. So I haven't been vlogging all day. All I've been doing is fixing up the crib. Let me see if I could close the window. Haven't been vlogging all day, guys. I've been fixing up the crib, so my new bed, and you know, outside I look crazy right now. I'm about to take a shower. I don't know if I'm doing anything tonight. I'm just tired, but tired bad, not telling a lie. I look crazy, like a damn egghead, but God has been real, you know, it's been good. So let me go take my shower and I'll link y'all when I link y'all. Future, if you're seeing the next clip, I didn't really record the morning portion because my ass was tired. I went to sleep immediately after. I woke up like around 1 a.m. and went right back to sleep. So the next day we just head into the town to do a little 1-2. So bye. It's blurry. It's focusing. See that? I was thinking. Pick up yourself. My number, so you have no excuse. We see we see. Let's stop focusing. Michelle, not be going on me, man. Come out. Raymond say, I feel the spirit. I can't. Now, why my camera is acting up? You understand me? Oh, they're my friend. So, in the town, mommy doing her rounds, and I'm vlogging and whatnot. Them girl, them nah, no Bobby. Watch out, Swanee. So we come. Ticket's nice. Ticket's right. Don't worry, I soon dolly out next year.
I'm Mr. Mike. Early bird, you remember early bird? Right. Yeah. He did that still, but different one.
Say now drive.
Yeah.
No.
Baby, but tell the girl, say, when the girl eat.
I ain't on my way.
Take care of you. Yes. He said, promise you, I know your style. Yes. I
love him, you know?
Yeah.
I love him.
He said, I'm going with himself. I did that to the fish shot him down. And he said, you know, come, Mr. Me that work. And he said, when me tell him, said, look at me, said, it's the right there, sir?
So we walking this thing right now to go look at stoves and stuff for my dad.
Right there, sir.
I got a late start on the vlog because I'm busy. So
He take care of you. Yeah, man. And I feel style like with the pop on. Right? They're going to want to push it nice for you. I let me one stand on me, I do, you know. And he said to me, say, this is me, I do, you. They're going to fling it round this year.
let's get some conch. Them boy and a Barbie. So I'm about to get some conch. Y'all know I like me some conch if y'all know already. I got some early today.
What is?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay.
I got some early today and I didn't really, well I finished it, but mom getting jerk chicken. Very ghetto. Mommy.
You want dumpling there?
Nakish.
Every time you put more dumpling. Yes, you want. Oh, we have to clear the window.
Hey guys, so I'm back in the crib. I was already, why is my camera not, let's see. There we go. I was already back in the crib already, but I was downstairs eating. We basically got to see family members and high school members of my mom, old relatives, stuff like that. So she hasn't been here in approximately 28 years. Yeah, so I ate, I got the itis, and now I'm tired. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know it's probably all over the place, but it was just a lot going on. So see y'all in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, click the subscribe button for more lit ass videos. Bye guys. It is now. Well, yeah, 'cause it is now 1:07. I've been up since 8 AM this morning exactly, and I've just been tired. I don't know what's in the food. I don't know what's in the drinks, but all my grandmother's been doing is feeding the hell out of me, and all I've been doing is sleeping. I am mad tired. I'm gonna take a damn nap. So I'm trying to keep up with the vlogs for y'all, but I'm hella tired. I had to make sure to inform y'all about this because I didn't want to leave the vlogs on a cliffhanger. But yeah, I got an eventful weekend coming up. Since it's the 29th, we going home the 5th. So I gotta live it up. So I'm hella tired. If y'all looking at my nails, I got my friend's press-ons, but I'm also buying a pair of press-ons, or doing my nails soon. So yeah, talk to y'all in a few. I'm about to watch. I think on my iPad. I like my new iPad. 10th generation. Shit is mad nice. Shit is cool. But yeah, talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. Oh, wanna put come very well, Todd? So we in the market. I'm crying. So we in the town. We want to go get some stuff. And then I'm the daughter.
She was a baby. Yeah, she was a mentor. Yeah. Yeah, man, just stick it to care. Come on. Me the only one to go wear dirty pants today.
Cha! You about to go to Singer? And get some stuff for my dad, like household appliances and stuff. So we're doing a do. You know where I'm from. So we just finished in Singer. Bought my dad a fridge, and then we're gonna buy him the stove tomorrow, since we're in the process of fixing the house. I don't know if y'all can hear me because everybody in Singer's in my mouth, so I'm trying to be at a tone level. So Bev is somewhere over here. My mom is browsing right there, be enough. So yeah, I'll tell when I can.
Okay. Oh, and listen to this song. And we have hi, cousin. You know.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. So we went to get my daddy. We have a fridge, and then we looking at a shower for myself. I'm about to show y'all the shower. I'm gonna personally buy it, so my mom coming out, she can pay for it. Woman, so what I say? That's the shower. So here's the deal.
But I know up here so we are buying this stuff, and down at the next place I'm going
Okay, y'all, so it's just like, what time now? It is now 9:13. We in the crib. I got a fan today. Just got it installed legitimately 5 to 10 minutes ago by one of my family friends that live next door to us. Shout out to Baloo. So my room is coming together. I don't know if I'll show y'all, but I got a new bed my mom bought for me. I should try to show y'all my mom's bed tomorrow and shit like that. But you know, like I said, we came down to do home improvements, and we're making great progress. Today we went to go buy the fridge and Singer. We look for the fans, we look for the toilets, we look for the sink. So it's coming together. We had originally set down 4 barrels, 1 container, came down with 6 suitcases deep. So we doing a do. Yeah. So I'm about to go to my bed damn early. I don't ever do this, but I guess the older I get, the tired I get, and it's parties and stuff going on, but you know, I don't have really nobody here. Everybody that I know or family with is in America. So yeah, I'm about to go to my bed. Tomorrow should be a beach day. I don't know if we're going to Frenchman yet or Winifred. Either or. I'm going to the beach twice regardless. So yeah, I'm trying to link up with Cam too, but Cam does taxi now. So it's kind of, I wouldn't say hard, because when I tell Cam to come, he'll come. But just like, I want you to make your money. I don't want me to hinder your money. You feel me? But that's my dog, 100 grand. So yeah, I'm about to go to my bed, test out my new fan. I will be leaving my balcony door open. If you don't know, my balcony is right here. That door here. My bathroom's here. We're getting those doors repainted because I paid for the house. We paid for the house to be painted, which the house did get painted. I think it was like 500 US. But the guy never painted the doors. I like my chestnut wood door here, but the bathroom doors, the front door, the balcony doors in my room, and the main balcony and the living room balcony door, all I gotta get painted out. The windows, all of that. And usually my mother and I are the handyman that does that, but my mom doesn't want to do it. She's just like, fuck it, like if we pay for it, it gotta get done. So he's gotta come back and paint that. But yeah, our room's coming together. This is my father's old little ass TV. I'm not with that. He got a 65-inch now. So when I come down, I can't even tell you when I'm coming down, but I'm coming down more frequently because my mom's gonna be back and forth. But I'm trying to get a TV. Well, I will get my TV here and put on the wall, because we have, if y'all haven't noticed about my room, we have high ceilings. So let me sit down and show y'all. So that's my pillows, my bed, my suitcases. But my ceilings are hella high. Like my ceilings just hang. I have my sunroof on each side, but I don't have any windows. So yeah, how that go. So what I want to do is I want to put a picture or a couple pictures on this wall and put like a little designs, whatever. I do feel like I might put something over my bed as well, probably little accents and stuff like that. My drawers, don't mind that, they're going out. I really don't know what color to put them. I don't know if I should get a color like this, but I feel like it's tacky, even though the room is giving a white and like a chestnut feel. I still feel like I would want something to match with my bed. My mom has the quilted basic gray bed with the bottom in a king size. I didn't get the bottom because my bed is close to the door, so it barely opens all the way out now. But I'm gonna get something there. And I don't know if I showed y'all the shower that I had, but I'm gonna show you my shower now compared to the one that I want to buy for my room. This is my bathroom. So I don't know if y'all remember in the other vlogs, this is my bathroom. My father doesn't allow anybody to come to my bathroom at all. So when I'm not here, nobody comes here, no matter if I'm here, even no matter if I'm not here for like 10 years, nobody now coming here. So the toilet basically is around this corner. You want to get a new toilet. It's not rusted, it's just dirty because it's just been not used and it's been collecting dust. So I'm trying to figure out how would I put the shower in here, because the shower that I saw today is kind of the same size, but I would have to basically break down the bottom base of this shower. This comes off on 1, 2, 3, and I'll put my black and white shower there. If anything, and I'm seeing this video, future Nikisha that's gonna be editing this, I'm gonna drop a picture probably right here of the shower that I want. So this shower right here gives off the pink color in my room. My bathroom, but really and truly, it's legitly like a brownish, beigeish, well not brownish, a beigeish color accent in this room and then in the bathroom, but then the pink gives it off this pink fluorescent color in here. But the shower that I want is like black and silver. And I'm getting a new sink for myself. A sink I'm gonna buy. I do want to take this mirror out, but I'm just gonna keep it there for now. It's not bad, but I did see a badass mirror for like 280 something US that just lights up, even though it wouldn't really make no sense because I have my ring light in my room. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So if I do that, I'm definitely changing the sink. Well, when I do that. So the shower that I saw today was $781 US, and the sink was 120, 150. So when I do decide that, I'm gonna have to ask how much would it be to rewire the sink, you know, redo the shower, and then I'll go from there. But I do want that shower, and then when I do come here, I'm gonna go over and paint the windows and put my little curtains. You know how we do. Even though I feel like I really don't need a curtain because no one cannot see me in my bathroom because it's so high, and nobody can see me in my balcony even if I lay on my bed or at an angle. So anybody that's looking down, let me show y'all from the shop area. This is the shop outside, the main shop. This is our shop in the house, in the yard I mean. Nobody from the shop area, no matter what angle they could see me in my room by the way how it's angled. So I don't know if I could show y'all. So all they basically would see is just probably like the door. But I'm gonna try to basically, when I go downstairs or go outside and I go to the shop, if I remember, I'm gonna zoom into my room one day to see if y'all can see what I'm telling y'all. This is like a shoe area. From the story time with Dutty Gal, my father's ex-girlfriend that we got to altercation, she left all this fuckery here, and this was like my shoe area. So my father's gonna go ahead and take all of this out, and I'm gonna repaint it, redesign it, and you know, when I come and I start leaving stuff, this will be my area. So yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm ending this vlog here. I'm hella tired. I'm gonna go to bed at 9 o'clock like somebody granny, your girl. So yeah, talk to y'all when I talk to y'all, and see y'all tomorrow.
Them boy don't got no bodies. Me no star girl, me have vastly. Have a Spain down girl love call me. I'm a big woman girl.